Why don't you show furniture? See, looks nice, right? But then when we zoom in, we can only see fixtures. That's our toilet and bath. But look at this. It's even oversized. Look, it's so easy to plan living, dining, kitchen. But how will you actually lay out the furniture over here? Where can you place the television, right? How about in the driver's room? Look at the dimension. How about the dimension from this wall to that where we will place the bed? That's just like 1.8 or 1.7. So it will be actually blocking the door. This is the actual photo. And in layout, we'll just show the client, oh, this is how the bed will look like if you put a full double bed or a semi-double bed. Now let's go here. A while ago we saw the maid's room. A foam that's 36 by 75 will be exactly almost the whole space, so that's your only access. And look at this driver's room. 36 by 75 will actually hit the door swing. Well, that's good enough to enter the bathroom, but not the main entry. So it has to be custom made, custom fit, and actually even the foam has to be trimmed. Oh my gooseneck. The main point here is, how will you lay out the furniture? It's so easy to just show walls in architectural floor plans. But it's best to already think of the furniture before laying out your walls. Because look at that. It's so easy just to have a couch, a sofa, and a center table. But what if they want to watch? So maybe the designer will say, ah, they can just go upstairs to the attic to watch. Yeah, but are you the client? Or what if it was pre-selling and they actually want to watch downstairs? Well, it has to be indicated then. Or how about our dining? Will we actually put it against the wall? Or will we do it this way, where it's centered and people have to say, excuse me, can I pass by? Are we going to remove this wall and place the living area such as a wall where we can actually hang a television, but then the sliding door will hit? See, so all of these interior aspects could actually be considered already in the architectural interiors because yes, we can leave it up to interior design, but of course we have to consider also the lifestyle of the client. So, mind you, a floor plan that has furniture layout is a better plan than just open space. This is good for construction, but not for client furniture layout.